Just under a week before the first official debut of Ferrari's first EV, and the prototype has been spotted on the road. Here's what we know so far. What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rides. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another video where the Ferrari Luce is almost here. It's back in the spotlight because just in the last day, the new spy photos of the prototype have appeared on social media, taken by Gap's spy unit. And I will link his Facebook page in the description below so you guys can go check them out for yourself, where he made a post even more interesting with the caption chosen to accompany these images saying, "The sound of silence, Ferrari Luce, Rome, 25/05/2026. Now, let's remember, May 25, 2026 will be the day of the debut of the Ferrari Luce, and this event is destined to mark an important chapter in the recent history of the prancing horse, as the model is expected to be one of the most symbolic innovations for the brand's future. Now, the images show a prototype still heavily camouflaged with film, temporary covers, fake exhaust, and numerous hidden details. And despite that Maserati Levante bodywork disguise, you can get a glimpse of impressive proportions, a low stance, wide tracks, and muscular bodywork. Now, the line suggests a sporty yet more versatile setup than traditional Ferraris, with a very pronounced stage presence. Now, Ferrari Luce will represent the brand's first major step towards a new interpretation of sportiness. Linked to electric propulsions, this represents a huge challenge for Maranello. It conveys the emotion, performance, and Ferrari identity even without the roar that has captivated generations of enthusiasts. Now, according to Gap's spy unit, he showed the model rolling out of the factory's secondary gate, hidden inside some trucks. This detail confirms the project has now entered the advanced stage of development. Now, with that, attention is focused on May 25th, because on that day, the Luce will have to demonstrate that the prancing horse's future can be different, but no less exciting. I'll let everyone around me be the judge of that. What do you guys think? Will the Ferrari world forever change in just under a week? What do you guys think that this Ferrari Luce prototype has in store for us? I want to know down in the comments below. How are you guys feeling about this one? Now, if you guys did enjoy the video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you guys check down the links in the description if you guys want to help further support the channel, or you can hype up the video. I appreciate that extra love. Thank you guys so much. You guys can also check out the Ron's Rides merch or subscribe to the channel, but make sure you guys click that notification bell so you don't miss any of these videos. And with that said, we will see you guys in the next one. Peace.